Contact 25 milligram!
Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to, first we're going to uninstall this Kagwerks extended and raised slide release out of this Gen 5 Glock 17. Then we're going to be inserting it into this Gen 5 Glock 19 right here. So it's really simple, and really the only thing you don't really need any tools actually. This comes in all of the Glock boxes. It's a little push rod, so that way you can change. You can take the back pin out and change it for different grips. So you can actually take this entire gun apart with just this piece. So I'll demonstrate it here. Alright, so we're going to take the, I don't know which pin this is called, but we're going to take this roll pin out. All you do is you just do that, and at the same time you're pushing on this pin, you're going to be kind of lifting on your slide release, and then that pin will push out. So it's out, grab it from the other side, set it somewhere you're not going to lose it. And then I use a flathead screwdriver for this because it just makes it easier. This is a rail section for your slide. I don't know exactly what it's called, but all you're going to do is just get a little bit of leverage on it. Comes out just like that. Set that to the side. And now you can just remove your slide release. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing on this Glock 19. Make sure it's clear. Field strip it. Grab your little pushy pin here. Push this pin out. At the same time you're lifting up. You're not really lifting it up. You're kind of just wiggling it like that. Just like that. Grab it from the other side. Set it down. Lift your rail out. Pops out just like this. So if you've got a Kagwerks and you're going to install it, you're going to follow those steps. Remove your factory slide release. Get your Kagwerks. You're going to set it down in there just like that. And that's it. Get your rails. Put your rails back in here. Now you're going to look through this hole and make sure everything is lined up. Sometimes, well, most of the time, everything's going to be off kilter. I'll kind of show you. So if this is off a little bit, or your trigger, but I didn't take the fire control group out, so that hole is going to be, for the most part, lined up. So it's just a tiny bit offline there. But if you look through the hole, you can see straight through. You're ready to put your pin back in. Just put it in. And it has a stopping point where all you want to do, it's going to go in there until it clicks. If you need to push it a little bit in with your pin pusher, just a little bit of pressure until it clicks. Right there. Make sure it's even on both sides. And that's it. Put your slide back on. Functions test. Get your good old big pen. This is the functions test for the firing pin. And it works. So that's really simple to change your slide release if you get a Kagwerks or if you get a Glock extended or raised or what have you. It's very simple. Don't fret about it. Just make sure you don't lose your parts. And if you're unsure, just record yourself or take pictures step by step how you're taking it apart. But this is an extremely simple part to change. And really all you need to take this entire fire control group out or anything in the frame is just this pin. And pretty sure you can also take your firing pin springs out with it as well. So you can take this whole gun apart with just the pin that comes in your Glock box for your grips. So hope that was informative. Give me a comment, like, subscribe if you'd like to. Thanks for watching, guys.